everything was so balanced. Welcome back to another video. My name is Nicholas and this is Eating the African Way. Today we are in Entebbe and we are going to check out the ROLEX Guy. This guy has over 16 different types of Rolex, each with a different name, each with a different recipe, but we're not going to look at that. Guess what? We are going to look at street pizza. You know, when it comes to street pizza, Ugandan street pizza, it's a different story, but this guy gives it a different idea, a different recipe, different ingredients. So that is what we're going to look at in this video. So let's go inside the ROLEX Guy place. We see what they have for us. Also, we're going to make a simple tour around this place. We see what really happens. What do you do when you reach this place? What do you do when you're waiting for your snack to get ready? So let's go find out.
Hello everyone, welcome to the ROLEX Guy. I'm by the names of Lubega Trevor Joseph, the head chef and acting manager. We are located in Entebbe town, just along Hill Road, opposite our Meme offices. We do basically our main, it's a ROLEX as the main food celebrated in all the streets of Uganda. But today in this video, we are going to show you how to do, we are going to do a street pizza. You heard me right. There is a street pizza. Apart from the one you know, we do a street pizza here at the ROLEX Guy. Wait, you will see it in a few.
My brothers, my sisters, remember your heritage.
Before we get to our pizza, we do have some activities here you can do as you're waiting for your orders to come out. We do have some games like mind games. We do have chess, drafts. We do have books you can read through, and we have a lot of reselling products. Those African jinga, coffee, the guinness, locally all made via Uganda. We do have a big space where you can be with your family and friends. You can hold a party here. And by the way, we do have a free venue for parties, birthday parties specifically. Yes.
This is us. This is who and what we are.
A lot of talking has been said. I know you really want to see how this pizza is being made. Let's go to the kitchen.
And light of Africa shines brighter and brighter. Africa to the world.
This is our kitchen, and we are going to dive into the process of making our pizza. Yeah, today we are doing one of the three, and this one we're doing particularly, it's the best and famous at our place here. It's Nkoko Volcano. These are the ingredients we do use. We use green pepper, onions, tomatoes, and we do use 2 eggs and 1 chapati, plus some cabbages in it, and then our special toppings. When you get your 2 eggs, you crack them in a bowl, obviously a clean bowl, then you slice your chapati, mix it well with some little salads of your choice. Then we put the mixture to the frying pan on a low heat. And then we cover it up with a clean frying pan. So we paste our pizza sauce on it, mixed with our beef. Then we put on other toppings. We put on the different kind of toppings plus the vegetable toppings after. Then we cover it and we give it time for it to bake. And yeah, that's how it's served.
This is Isaac Dollars. Yeah, here at ROLEX Guy. Guys, this place is the best in Entebbe. The best Rolex is here. Actually, the first time I got to know this place, it was like in 2019 there. And wow, since then I come here every day to eat Rolex. When it comes to Rolex, they know what they are doing. I mean, you can tell the place is kawa. You know, you look at the place, everything is good around here. Now here I am again for another Rolex. I mean, every day here I have to eat a Rolex. And I like mostly the beast. It is the mixture of everything. I mean, nkoko, meat, and man, you need to try it. Because when you come here in Entebbe and you miss coming to Rolex Guy, you have made a mistake. Yes, that's all I can say. And the experience, they have the greatest people who are serving, waiters and waitress. Customer service is on the international standard. Yeah, the best chef in town we have. I mean, you need to come in Entebbe. And when you come to Entebbe, Uganda, make sure you come to Rolex Guy. I mean, what can I say? I am the Rolex Guy. Whoever eats is the Rolex Guy. You're welcome.
Hey, hi, I'm Joe. This is my second time here in Entebbe in Uganda. And I like this place because obviously the Rolex is like the typical Ugandan food, street food, but also with the nicer versions here at the Rolex Guy. So yeah, enjoying my time here. So if you're ever in Entebbe, I can totally recommend this place and come get a Rolex.
Thank you so much for keeping yourself on eating the African way. I know you have learned a lot from this place, from the Rolex Guy. So before we go into the last part where I have to come in and eat, is there anything you left out?
It's the best. So those of you who are wondering how do I get to order for this, we'll be dropping you a QR code you can scan that will bring up the menu directly, and you can always order. We also do deliveries. We are on Glovo. You can get us via Glovo. And wondering about the payments, we do mobile money, we do Airtel, we do PesaPal, we do MTN, and we also do cash. Thank you for keeping up with our Rolex Guy. Hope to see you next time.
All right, so let's go and eat. I think that is always our favorite part. So let's go. Have you ever looked at something? I feel like, this is it. This is one of the places I'm going to recommend 100%. Places you need to visit and have a blast. Oh. You know, one of the disadvantages of being a content creator is by the time you eat your food, it's going to be cold. But this is still warm and still good. Wow. Wow. So it is called a street pizza. And also we have what we call a Ugandan street pizza. Also this is a Ugandan street pizza, but it is more, when you look at it, you might think it's a pizza. But you have seen how it was made, the ingredients, everything from the start to the end. Just come and enjoy, be part of this. All I can taste is the freshness of the vegetables, the eggs. Oh my goodness. This is going to cost you only 20,000 Ugandan shillings, the pizza. You have got all the recipe, all the ingredients I use at only 20,000 Ugandan shillings. You enjoy this with your family, or I can enjoy this alone. But if you have a family, I think they can make something bigger than this. I'm going to drop their contact in my description box in case you want to reach out to them. Get it from there, reach out to them, make orders. I always do share these numbers, but some of you miss them in the description box and you keep asking for them in the comment section. I always share all the details you might want to know. I share the contacts in my description box. Everything is there. So as you watch the video, don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section. Like the video, tell us what you want to see next, and also you can give us super chats, because that is one of the ways you're going to support this channel, so that this channel can make more videos. So drop a super chat, send us some money. Oh God. Let me even end here and here. Let me end the video from here. This is going to be part. I'm going to enjoy it at home when I'm editing this video. So let me end it from here. Why not? Why not? So catch up in the next video. Bye bye. Love you all. This is 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Oh my goodness. Have you ever eaten something where you can taste all the ingredients and you feel like everything was so balanced? The green pepper, the onions, everything was so balanced, so perfect. This is one of the foods you shouldn't miss out when you come to this place. One of the snacks you should eat. I'm recommending this 100%. It is 10 out of 10. Yeah? Just imagine sitting somewhere, they prepare something when you're watching and you're just there waiting to enjoy. Yeah? You're just waiting to enjoy. but thank you so much for watching. So let us end the video and then see what happens next. All right, bye-bye.